Ancient Egypt, it's history. It's so important to know for you and me. There were two parts, above, below, and King Menes brought them together. Oh, everyone knows about the pyramids. Showed the pharaoh's power. The pharaohs ruled Egypt for so long. The bodies are mummies, though their souls are gone. Egyptians thought if they were buried nicely, then they would achieve immortality. I know, that would make them wonderful. There was one man named Imhotep. His big brain gave him quite a rap. He wasn't a pharaoh, but did a lot. Architecture, medicine, he was red hot. And that's what made him memorable. There were two gods, Amun and Re. Then they became the main god, Amun-Re. Amun-Re was the main one. He was known as the god of the sun. And it was as Hebrew slaves left Egypt. This was the Exodus. Now that we know Egypt's history, they did math, science, biology, architectures like the pyramids. They really were wonderful. Really remarkable. Yay!